Scotty.
Look at this bad bitch.
We got it on the ground.
First time in how many?
Oh, months. Yeah. My car's not touching it. They're close. They're not touching. But it looks like I'm going to wreck you. Sorry, Mo. But
yeah,
the front with the new, it sits nice. Look at this. It's got some gap back here, but you know what? If you went with a bigger tire, it would start rubbing.
Yeah, so we'd actually have to just drop it a little bit.
So it's either we need to figure out how to drop this, which is easy with different bolts again, or
do the mono spring in the back.
True.
To do something just a little bit lower. I mean, I wouldn't take out a shit ton.
No, but
maybe 2.
I'd like to close this. I'd like to close this gap.
Yeah, 2 inches lower, I think would look really good. But you got to remember, the body's level.
It is level right now. I'm trying to get back far enough.
The seats would look nice. I mean,
it looks good.
Yeah, it does.
It looks good. We just have it down because we got to move it over.
Yeah, but
we're almost done up front. But God, look at.
I mean,
look at our camber. It's nice.
Yeah.
Everything's sitting well. It's tucked. Oh
yep.
God.
It looks
really good. Look at that control arm angle. It's bitching. I just have calipers sitting on there because we have to. The new ones are coming, obviously.
Yeah.
But she looks good.
Yeah, because we are two plugs away from finishing off the front end.
Wiring-wise.
I think the wiring came out really, really good. It looks respectable. It's neat.
It's tidy.
It's tucked up out of the way. We've got all our wiring in place.
Up to here, and then everything's kind of sitting up here to go to the firewall.
We'll have to do a little bit of, finish, tucking everything and making it look nice and respectable.
Little tuck and love, but we're right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, can't wait.
God, looks good. I was nervous. I was like, it's going to be too low. It's going to be too high. No, the front's perfect. I would like to drop that a skosh, but you know what? Beggars can't be choosers.